How to delete Alibaba account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application alibaba.com and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on My Alibaba at the bottom right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the option of settings. Head over to it. Move into Delete Account. Right here, once again tap on Delete Account. At the bottom right corner, you'll find the option of Delete Account. Once again tap on it. Wait for a while. Now right here in this section, you need to enter delete. Once it is done, tap on Delete Account right here. And there you go, your account has been successfully deleted. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete your Alibaba account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.